to Cook with Derek. I'm here to say I want to be on the show.
He wishes it was Cook with Derek.
So I got to. Okay, fine. You guys do this thing.
Hey guys, welcome. Who are we looking at you?
Right here. I'm over here. You kicked me out. Now you want my help. That's great. That's rich.
If you'd comb the back of your hair, we might let you
Wow.
Hey guys, welcome to season 9 of Cook with Jake and Joy. And you know, it's just so much fun. It's been so much fun to film with Derek, and we haven't shared our rooftop farm with you very much. We've done a couple of things, but this is something that we've been doing since 2012. Jake started running it when she graduated from college and ran it commercially for 2 years, and now my husband runs it as a nonprofit, and we donate the produce to local charities. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And we're really happy to share it with you. And we've got some exciting stuff planned for you this season. You want to talk about it?
So one of the things that happens every season is we pick these really complicated, what feel like really complicated recipes that we really want to make.
And when she says we, she means me.
Her. And every time we're like, oh, we don't have the energy for it, or we don't ever get to it. And so we have this list of things that we really want to make that we never do. And we actually finally did most of them. And they weren't as bad as we thought. They weren't.
They really weren't. And some of them are really like fancy little appetizers that you can take with you when you want to like feel fancy. and they really weren't hard. Like stuffed acorn squash and Hasselback potatoes, things that sound complicated and look really beautiful, but are great. We also did a lot of one-pot dishes, and you like to make one-pot dishes. You usually use like an Instapot a lot, right?
Yeah, I do. So that's really cool. So you can just do it all in one without having to like get complicated with a bunch of pans and a bunch of stuff. So it's going to be great.
And you can get a lot of things into it.
Yeah.
I'm always looking at how can I get more vegetables into a dish, and that's a really good way. Soup is a good way, but you don't like soup.
Yeah.
So we've got a lot of casserole type dishes that are going to be really fun for you to share with your family. And this year we made a couple more cocktails than we normally do, and I think you're going to really like those. We've also got a non-alcoholic cocktail that you will like, and some gut healing broth. We've got a lot of cool things in store for season 9. So.
Yeah.
And I can vouch for it. It all tastes amazing.
It does.
And I didn't cook one thing.
If you make our recipes and love them, we would love to hear about it. Also, if you make a traditionally non-vegan, gluten-free recipe that you would like for us to make vegan and gluten-free, send it our way. We love to do that.
Yeah, and if you like this channel, share it with your friends. We really want to spread the word of getting more plants into people, and we do it in a really fun, delicious way. So this is a great entry level for people who are looking at adding more plants to their diet.
Yeah. All right, you're gonna love this season. Can't wait to show you.
Season 9.
Season 9, here we go.